India's opposition leader Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified from parliament after he was sentenced to 2 years in prison in a criminal defamation case. The move is a major setback for the politician's Congress party ahead of India's general election next year. Mr. Gandhi is out on bail pending an appeal. He decried his conviction, accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi of using the courts to silence critics. The opposition Congress has vowed to fight the verdict both legally and politically. The party has stressed it will not be intimidated or silenced. Congress officials have led a march in Delhi to protest against the verdict and say they plan to hold more such rallies against the government in the days ahead. Mr. Gandhi was convicted for comments made in 2019 in which he referred to thieves as having the same surname as Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And for the latest, Neha Ponia joins us live from New Delhi. Neha, Mr. Gandhi planning to appeal this verdict. Any chance that he could actually regain his seat in Parliament?
Well, Mr. Gandhi has still not spoken out about the conviction as well as his disqualification, but he was seen in Parliament on Friday, just hours before this disqualification was confirmed. And his party, the Indian National Congress, has confirmed that they were taken aback with the speed with which the government went ahead with these proceedings. In the past, it's taken anywhere between a week to several months to initiate disqualification proceedings against the Member of Parliament who's been convicted by a court. But in this case, it happened in a matter of 24 hours. Now, the Congress says it's confident it will win its appeal. It's planning to approach a sessions court in the state of Gujarat. They've defended the delay in filing that appeal, saying that this is a complicated legal matter. They're waiting to translate a 100-page verdict that was put out by the court in Surat, and they're wanting to put together a point-by-point rebuttal when they approach the court. But they say, and this is something that legal experts concur with as well, that if the Sessions Court or a higher court is able to stay that conviction, then Rahul Gandhi's disqualification will immediately be revoked and he will be able to get his Member of Parliament status back. But the worry is that this disqualification notice that was issued by the government was also sent to India's election body. Now, when a Member of Parliament is disqualified, the Election Commission can hold a by-election to fill that vacant seat. That's the status of Rahul Gandhi's Wayanad constituency. Now it's vacant, and the Congress will have to move quicker than the Election Commission in this case, and some experts say that might not be possible.
Well, Congress is confident it can win this appeal, but should it fail in appealing against this disqualification, what's the broader impact of this disqualification from Parliament would that be on the Congress party?
Well, it's already a big setback because it's also a loss of prestige. If this disqualification stays in place, Rahul Gandhi will also have to vacate his official residence. He's already lost the status of Member of Parliament. But if this disqualification is not overturned by a higher court, then he will also be barred from contesting elections for the next 8 years, which means in the next general election, he will not be able to compete against Mr. Modi, and the Congress party claims that is the aim of the ruling BJP, to remove any sort of competition. We've seen the Congress party take to the streets. They're planning to hold a pan-India demonstration next week as well, saying that they will not sit back and allow the government to silence their leader, Rahul Gandhi. But it will throw up the question of leadership for the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi is not the party's president, but he is the de facto leader. If he is barred from contesting, the question is who can replace him.
All right, thanks for that. Neha Ponia reporting live to us there from New Delhi.